In this demo, we'll guide you through setting up mobile cloud phones and desktop browser profiles to manage multiple accounts. Let's get started. Welcome to your Multilogin dashboard. This is your main workspace where everything starts. From here, you organize and manage all your profiles using folders and filters. Multilogin supports two things: desktop browser profiles and Android cloud phones. Cloud phones are real Android devices hosted in the cloud. They let you manage mobile platforms without physical phones and without the risk of accounts being linked. To get started, switch to the Cloud Phones section here. Now you're in the Cloud Phones workspace. This is where all your mobile cloud phones and their folders are created, managed, and launched. Let's create your first cloud phone profile. Click Create to begin. First, choose how many cloud phones you need and give them clear names. You can bulk create multiple isolated profiles at once. All cloud phones can use the same settings, but each one is created as a completely unique Android device, so accounts remain fully separated. Next, you can add notes and select a folder. Notes are optional, but they help you remember what each cloud phone is used for. Folders help you keep your cloud phones organized as your setup grows. Now let's talk about proxies. A proxy allows you to connect to and log into accounts from any location in the world. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider to use built-in proxies. Connect from over 150 locations worldwide, including specific cities and regions. Manage accounts as if you were physically there and reach audiences anywhere with local networks and IPs. Click Check Proxy to make sure the connection is working properly. Each cloud phone should be used for one account only. That's why Multilogin lets you choose a unique device brand and model. Simply select one from the list of 12 phone brands. Everything is set. Click Create to save your cloud phone. Click in the Tags field to add tags to your cloud phone. Create and customize your tags by color to make navigation easier. Your cloud phone is now ready. Click here to start using it. After connecting, you'll see a real Android home screen. You can click, swipe, open apps, and navigate using your mouse just like a physical phone. On the left, you'll find the sidebar with quick tools. Here you can check the connection, rotate the screen, take screenshots, upload files, and use the camera. More tools are available under the More shortcut. Just like on a real Android device, you can install apps. Click the Apps shortcut to open the built-in app marketplace. This is a curated Android app marketplace. You can download popular apps instantly or upload your own APK files. Let's install TikTok. After a quick download, you can find the app in the menu, which you can open from the home screen. Now everything is ready for you to log into your existing TikTok account and start working with your content and posts. If you need desktop browser profiles, switch back using this toggle. The desktop profile flow is similar. Click Create to start. Name your profile and add tags and notes. Choose the browser core and storage type. Set the proxy location the same way you did for cloud phones. Adjust fingerprint settings and save the profile. Warm up the desktop profile using Cookie Robot before launch. Now you can run your profile. Log into your accounts and start working. With Multilogin, you can manage your social media accounts from one dashboard. Access everything you need to grow your business out of the box, including cloud phones and browser profiles. Start your trial today.